TRX roars. Gone in a blink. Building Detroit. All right now on FCA Replay. The truck world has a new apex predator, the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX. With a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 pumping out 702 horsepower, the Ram 1500 TRX sets new benchmarks for power and performance. It covers 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds. But the 1500 TRX is just getting warmed up. The suspension is inspired by desert racers. It tows up to 8,100 pounds and can ford water up to 32 inches deep. Inside, the 1500 TRX delivers all the comfort and luxury that is a Ram 1500 hallmark, including a standard 12-inch Uconnect screen. The 2021 Ram 1500 TRX reaches dealer showrooms later this year, with a manufacturer's suggested retail price starting at $69,995. Further proof that the Ram 1500 TRX is wicked fast, orders for the limited run 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Launch Edition sold out in less than 3 hours. The 1500 TRX Launch Edition has unique anvil gray paint and a unique data plate affixed to the center console inside the cab. Construction work continues on our new 3 million square foot assembly plant in Detroit. The new plant consists of 3 separate facilities: body shop, paint shop, and general assembly. With the plant launch on track for the first quarter of next year, it is possible to get an early look inside the body shop, where the vehicle begins to take shape. This plant will be home to a new 3-row full-size Jeep SUV and next-generation Grand Cherokee, along with their electrified models. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. I'm Peter Spezia reporting for FCA Digital Media.